Hello everybody, welcome again to another video of me doing makeup. Alright, so I'm gonna start with my edges because they gotta look proper. I use the ESO Plus, can be available, you can find it anywhere, ShopRite, Checkers, anywhere, very accessible. Okay, so we start with our hairline. I brush up my hairs, then I'm gonna put the product and then brush away. Let's go. Okay, nice. Okay, now I'm gonna take my duck and wear it so that it holds my style. Let's go. Nice. And now we brush our eyebrows. Gotta brush those eyebrows. Gotta brush them. And then it's pencil time. Gotta line those eyebrows. Line them. This is where your creativity shines out. Always make sure you brush your eyebrows with your pencil so that the eyebrow and your pencil match. It mustn't jumpies that you actually drew them. They must actually look natural, right? Yes. Be careful with your concealer, ne? Be careful. Because if you make a mistake, it's gonna ruin your eyebrow or ruin the shape of your eyebrow. And if you ruin the shape of one eyebrow, it means you have to ruin the shape of another eyebrow, which is just complicated. So just don't mess it up. The following lines that I'm drawing is just to create an illusion of the start of my eyebrow to make them real. The function of the concealer as I'm putting it on is to actually create a canvas for the colors that are about to come, the eyeshadow. It sticks only because of the concealer, right? So concealer is a huge factor in your makeup. Starting my eyeshadow pack with a brown eyeshadow at the end of my eye is always my go-to. It creates the start of the eyeshadow. Everything goes well with brown. My skin tone is brown, so it will match well. So that's what I do. So when you go to the inner eye, it's supposed to be lighter. Your color must now be lighter. At the corner, it's darker. Going forward, it becomes lighter, right? Yeah, so now we're just making some corrections and making it look nice. So in the middle right there, I'm using a red pinkish eyeshadow. I don't know if you can see it well. Let me just change the lighting just to make sure you see it. You see? Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's the red that I use. So you can see the blend. I hope you can see the blend. Okay, now watch how I use my foundation on top of my eyebrows to shape the eyebrow. Now for this look, you need to use your foundation. Do not use a lighter concealer because you will look like a monster. You will not look nice. So just watch and learn. Concealer time. So I just put a bit just like that, and it will follow with a brush to spread it out. You put a bit so that it doesn't overpower the color. It can overpower the color, so just putting a bit is enough. and then you'll just blend like this. You see, imagine if I had put a lot, I was gonna be white. So blending is very important, because you must not be impatient. You must be very patient. Then there's the other sections, and we blend just like that. Now I'm using my banana powder to make the concealer set. Right? Put it under the eyes to make the concealer set like that. Then you just blend it away. Done with that. Want to know how we make our faces look thin? This is how we do it. We make it smaller. This is to shorten your face. We remove those bones, those jaw bones. This is removing the jaw bones, creating the illusion, right? And the nose and the forehead, just to highlight those places, right? Yeah. Now the brown powder is just to magnify the banana powder, especially on the nose and on the side of the face, to make my cheekbones look there, you know. Now I blend everything. Blending is very important. Do not be impatient with this step, because mistakes will be seen if you are impatient. A lot of people will see, this person was very impatient with the makeup. Yeah, so I'm just showing the thorough. Yeah, thoroughly. We are blending here. You must, even watching this one, you must be patient. Now, eyeliner. This is the most difficult part, hey? For me, I find this very difficult, especially when I'm gonna do it on another person. But this time, I just wanted it to be clean. I don't want it to overtake the eyelashes. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a bit, just to make a foundation for the eyelashes. Even on the other side, just a bit.
Purchase your tracks today.
And presenting the eyelash glue. I put the eyelash glue on the eyelash, my real eyelash, over the eyeliner, and place the eyelash just like that.
Sneaky.
Gotta put your mirror under your eye in order for you to see the strip. To see where the strip is being placed, it will guide you. Alright, am I doing well? I think so. I think I'm winning. Am I winning? I have to win. Yeah. And then the second eyelash just goes in so smoothly. I like that. Ooh, look at my eyelashes. Ooh. And we're done. Look at those eyelashes. Ooh. Next is the lipstick. Yeah. The lipstick, just took it. I like this color. What is it? It's a bit purple pink. It's nice. Here I'm putting some stones. Now this is where I accessorize my look. I'm giving it that unique feeling. So you can also watch the steps. This needs a clear glue. Do not make a mistake of a colored glue. Right? Sure. And then we go to my tribal signature look. It wouldn't be a complete look without this signature look. African, representing Baba. We are here, we are in the world, we are going places.
Sneaky.
So this is me just showing you how I wore my duck. Hey, let's see if I'm gonna win with this one. Like this, no, let's see, like this. I am not winning. I'll just do it like this. But this is the final look. This is how I look. I hope that you like it. Ooh, I look so pretty. I love this look. I hope you love it too. Please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe if you like it. See you next time with another look.
Sneaky.
Bye.